Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom in order to find System and Updates. Now we have to tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here, we've got two options from which we can choose. So currently we've got the 3-key navigation, and before we will set the gestures, just a quick disclaimer, we can customize the three buttons. Basically, you can reorder the back button and the recents, and you can also apply this small button to hide the whole bar. You can also hide the navigation keys if you want to. So it's, as I said, up to you if you want to use it or not. And right now we can set the gestures. Simply tap on this circle right here. Your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial. I don't want to do it, so let me go back. And right now the 3 buttons navigation immediately disappeared. We can enter the settings before I'll show you how to use the gestures, because here we can customize them. So here you can slide across bottom to switch apps. It's up to you if you want to use this option or not. Here you've got also the animation, which will show you how to use the gestures, but right now I will explain them to you. So in order to get back to the previous page, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and it does not really matter whether you will do it from the right or the left side, it will work the same. Just slide it, and if you can see the arrow, release the finger. Don't hold it for too long because your device will open this bar with the apps. So just like that, and as you can see, we just got back. Let's do it from the right side also, and we got back. If you want to get back directly to the home page, then simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short and a quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, the same motion, but this time elongated somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing the finger, you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.